Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
X-ray diffraction. So this X-ray diffraction is mainly done to identify the materials. Okay, X-ray diffraction is is sorry. X-ray diffraction is used to identify the stone, crystal of the stone, or the type of the stone. So because we can use this x-ray diffraction to identify the materials, the type of materials, it is used to identify the type of materials. So in the renal in the renal system, or in nephrology, x-ray diffraction is uses the technique of crystal and power extraction sorry crystal and power X-ray diffraction analysis. With the help of this crystal and power X-ray diffraction analysis, we can assess the type of the stone or composition of the stone. So we have a type of X-ray diffraction which is called as monoenergetic X-ray diffraction and analysis. This monoenergetic X-ray diffraction and analysis, it can be used to assess the stone composition. To assess the stone composition, we can use this monoenergetic X-ray diffraction and analysis. It can So this X-ray diffraction analysis is the first method of choice to assess the urinary stone composition, because urinary stone composition is very important in uh, many cases. So it is the first method of first choice for assessment of urinary stone composition. So for assessment of urinary stone composition, X-ray diffraction uses single crystal or power X-ray diffraction analysis.
thank you and thank you for watching.